Good morning to all my dear students. This is Kaveri teacher from Science MPS. In today's lecture, we will see section 5. It's a writing skill, and from this section, we have to discuss on report writing. Let's see student what mean by report first. What is the report? Uh, while we have to find some rules from regulations of report writing, before account of something that so student report, it's a spoken or written any other, it will be a observe, it will be a seen, or it will be a. So what are the different types of a report? There are two types of a report, and the two types are, first one is a news report which is written for a newspaper and it's about an incident, and second one is a report, it's for a magazine. So first one is for newspaper and second one is for report for a magazine. It's about an important event. So incident and event, based on an incident and event, report should be written. What is a report? Clear and concise document. And what is the purpose of report writing? It will be a event or incident. For example, event will be like blood donation and incident is like a road accident. Report is for school news also, school journals, then newspaper. General, we will see the general information about report writing. What are the general information? It's a report is a factual description of an event, incident that has already happened. So the thing which already has happened, we should write it in few words, and we have to give more information about that report, about that incident or event, what is occurred there, and it will be in a few words. There is a limitation of words. Third information is no space for our opinion or suggestion. Remember student, while you are writing the report, that time don't give your personal opinion or personal suggestion while you are writing the report. Just use shortest word and give the direct information which has took place on that place or which had happened on that place. There should be a minimum 3 paragraphs. The limitation of words here, because we have to give more information in minimum words, so maximum information will be like. So types of news, there are activity last month, or sorry, last Olympic sports, then politics, uh, listening day to day, in day to day life, also economical news, economy of our about world, then giving us information about education, then weather, it's climate change, also weather change, news, sports, political. Now the events we had talked about, which are the main part of the report writing. There are two types event, and the two types is, first one is a good event and this is a bad event. So firstly we will discuss on good events. Life, there are some examples like a annual day function, then farewell celebration, blood donation camp, science quiz. So these are some good events which we can use for the report writing. Then what are the bad events for report writing? There are some examples of bad events. First one is a road accident, second one is a flood, and third one is a earthquake. So these are three examples showing us uh, the bad events which will be we have already faced. So we have to see some steps to write the news report. How to write the news report? Yes, we have seen that news means uh, a report to anything, about anything which we have heard, which we have seen, or which we have investigated. But how to write the report? So this is the major question in your mind. So let's see what are the steps of the writer report or a writer news report. Firstly, first one is a headline. Second one is a deadline. Then third one is a introduction or a intro. We can call it a lead line also. And fourth one is short containing paragraph, which called the body of the report. So these four points are much important while you are writing the report: that headline, deadline, introduction, or a leading line, then short containing para, which called the body of the report. So we will discuss the deeply in the next slide. So before seeing the steps of the report writing, we have to discuss on a marking scheme, that how can you get the mark for report writing, for which part you will get a mark. So let's see the topics or points and the marking scheme. First one, for the headline and date, you will get 1 mark. If you write the correct headline of the news report and write the you have mentioned the date also, you will get a 1 mark. After one, sequence of event, you will get a 2 marks for the these points. Means you have to write while you have writing the main body of the event or a report, that time you will get a 2 marks. After one, sequence of event, you will get a 1 mark. And last one is conclusion and layout. The whole report will be written in a paragraph. So you can get a 5 marks for this point. This will be asked in a writing skill. It will be mostly question number 6. So points to remember while you are writing the report. What points should be remember while you are writing the report? The points are mainly mentioned like that. While you are writing the report, that time you should write the report in only past tense, because in the definition we have seen now that the report means the thing which we have already seen, which we already heard, or the incident which already occurred, had done. So that's why while you are writing the report should be, the language should be in a past tense. The sentences which you are using for the report writing, it should be in only past tense. So don't use the first person. I told you that don't mention your opinion, and if you don't have to mention your opinion, that time you don't have to use your first person pronoun like I, me. Just use third person pronoun like we, sorry, they. Okay. So don't use the don't use the present tense, and also always use, while you are writing the report, the language of report will be in past tense. And also you have to use third person pronoun, don't use a first person pronoun. Use indirect speech. Mostly the reports are written in a indirect speech, because we already have heard or seen that incident or event. So we have to describe it indirectly. But remember student, while the special speech, special quote of any person, that time you can use a direct speech, direct sentence by the person who is the leading person in that event. You can use the direct sentence of that person, but the whole report will be written in an indirect speech. Also you have to use a passive voice while you are writing the report, because you have to describe the report by the third person. So that's why you have to use a passive voice while you are writing the report. Use third person pronoun like a he, she, it, they. As I just explained you that the key people means the major person in that event, which the sentence have told, or the quotation which used by them, direct speech in the news report. Report writing. What is the guideline for the report line? Yes, we have seen that there are 4 steps while you are writing the report. But what precaution, what rules we have to follow for writing that report? So firstly, we have to see how to write the headline and how the headline should be. So first, your headline will be short and simple. While you are writing the report, remember student, headline will be very short. It means there will be a use of a pretty words in a simple language. There will be no complex of any word and sentence. So use a short and sweet language and it will be very clear. The language of the headline will be very clear. It will be not complicated. So use the short and simple language and headline will be very short. Second point is for headline is for uh, in bold letters and in center alignment. While you are writing the report, we already have seen that how to write the letter writing. As the same way, there is a special format of the report writing as the same letter writing. While you are writing the headline will be at the center alignment. Like a letter, in the letter, there will be each whole matter of the letter we have to write in a left margin. As the same here in a report writing, we have to write the headline at the center alignment of the page, and the headline should be written in a bold letter, means capital letter. It will be bold but then other letters. Easy to understand the language. Yes, the headline will be very easy to understand each and every one, because a report are reading or a news report or anything which is the readers of that news report will be not same. So that's why the language of report writing will be very easy for understanding each and every person, and it will be catchy also. In simple present tense, use the while you are giving the headline of the report writing, use the while you are giving the headline of the report writing, use the simple present tense. Be in a passive voice related to the topic. The headline of the report writing topic, because mostly 99% people or a news by the seeing firstly headline. Firstly, we have seen the headline. Afterward, we have take interest in the reading news. So that's why the headline of the report should be passive voice, should be simple, should be easy to understand, as well as it should be very catchy and attractive also, because it attracts the reader's mind for reading the whole report or a news. Then what rules we have to write the date, what rules we have to follow? First, write the date in left hand side of the page. We have seen that headline of the report should be written in a central alignment. At the headlines below the headline, we should write the date, but it should be at the left hand side page. There is an example of date line, how to write the date. It's a 7th August 2020 or August 7, comma 2020. Both are correct. You can use any format of this date line. Use any format like 7th August 2020 and August 7th 2022. You can use any one. Then what you should mention the place where the incident, where the event, where the report had happened, what was the took place, what is the exact place of the incident or event. So you should mention the place. You already have seen the newspaper and you know that each and every news have mentioned the place. So write the name of the city exactly after the date. While you are writing the date, after the date, you should write the place of the incident or event. Mention the actual name of city if it is given in the question. Listen, student. if in the question you have mentioned the place of the report, that time you should follow that place. You should write the proper place which is mentioned in the question. Don't use any other city's name. Use the proper or actual name of the city or state or state or state or state or state or state or XYZ city. Otherwise, you can use any other city name if the if in the question the place is not mentioned. You can use any other name. Deadline, and place, you have to write the name of the reporter. So you can use by staff reporter or any others newspaper or agent's name. Designation of the writer. What is the designation of the writer? You should mention it. Sixth one is introductory para. While you are starting the practically report, these three things we have seen that it is the starting of the report: the headline, deadline, place, as for the reporter's name, then designation of the reporter, that person who had written the news. So firstly, while you are starting the report, remember the introductory para should be easy to understand. It is uh, use the simple language. It is very easy to understand. It should be very easy to understand, as well as should cover the most important aspect of the event. While you are writing the report, every aspect of the report writing should be completed, should be included in that point, in that first para. Means in a letter writing, we have written the first opening paragraph as well as the subject. As the same way here, the introductory para, we have to describe our subject in short and sweet language, and it will be very easy to understand. So the in a report writing should be the introductory para should be answered the questions, and what questions answer should be mentioned in the first para. Let's see the questions like a what, where, when, who, in one sentence only. So from these points, from these all points, you can easily saying that we have to write what means what had happened. We have to just write in a one answer. Then where is happened, it means we have to mention the place of that particular incident or event. Then third one, when means we have to write the timing of the exactly of the event. Then who, we have to mention here. So this is the introductory para. When, who, in only one sentence. Next point is that should not go much in a report. It will be short and it will be in a one sentence, because we have to write main body of the report at the middle paragraph, or in the description, in the detailed description of the report. So in opening or introductory para, we just have to open our subject and we have to mention it. Then second, next one is description of event. How to write the description of the event, how to describe the event or incident of the how to write the report. Then give details of the event in the second and third paragraph. Yes, in first we have to just opening our subject and mention some important things in first paragraph. In second and third paragraph, we have to describe in details. Should be in the flow of event. Yes, student, while you're writing the report, the incident or the event should be in a flow. It will be connected to each other. Don't make some sentences which are disconnected with each other. So the report should be in a flow. It will be connected to each other. Should be in a simple past tense. Yes, I already have explained that a report should be in a simple past or a past tense. Should answer the questions of how, who, and why. In the middle and third paragraph, while you are describe the whole event or a report, that time you should write the answer of these three questions, and the questions are how the report had happened, who were who were included in that event or incident, and why the incident or event had happened. So we have to reason, we have to write here reason of why the incident had took place. So these are some description of event. While you are writing the second and third para, means the main body of the report should be written as well. Last one is concluding paragraph. It's a short summary of event. While you are writing any writing skill, these three steps you have to follow. That first one is opening para, middle will be a main body of the that writing, writing the information transfer, and have to explain short. So lead and introductory para uh, should be easy to understand, should be cover the most important aspect of the event or H questions, and you should answer these all W's in the introductory para. That what happened exactly on that place, then where did it happen, where did it happen means you should have write there the timing here, then when did it happen, sorry, where did it happen, it will be the answer of that place, particular place where the incident had occurred. Then when did it happen, so when did it happen means you have to mention here the place and the details of that incident in this question. Then who was involved, who was there, who was included in that proper incident or event, you should write here this W's answer. And it should be only in one sentence, should not go much in details about that incident. So byline will be like that. In exam, don't mention your name as a byline, means don't use your own name as a reporter. So use any reporters or any name like a name of reporter or agency. By staff reporter, mostly it is used by staff reporter. You can use by our reporter, by our local reporter. Then also while you are writing the school magazine or school report, that time you can use by school representative, etc. Then can use it. So you can use any one from these three. Description of including the events in second para should be in order to occurrence of the event. It means the flow of event, the the all things have to connected, have to should be connected to each other, should be simple past tense, and also should be in semi formal language, means don't use a complexive language, and also don't use a very basic language. So you have to you have given the information of that place, so use a semi formal language. Should answer the question of how and why in a second paragraph, means the main body of the report. In a third paragraph, eyewitness account, means there was some person which was remember applicable for the newspaper report. While that time you can use it, sometimes can be used in other forms of reports as well. Should be in the indirect or a reported speech or in quotation marks. So eyewitness name and writing these sentences in only in reported speech, means you have to write a double inverted comma, it's a quotation marks. Should be in the less than 2 and 3 sentences. It will be not so lengthy, you should write it in short. It must be written in only 2 to 3 sentences. So how to write the concluding paragraph? If incident, further investigation should be done by the authorities like police department or by government officer in some cases. So it is all based on the event or incident which happened there. So mostly if the robbery had happened, we can call it, we can write it like that. The higher authorities and the police department had investigated for further details. If event is there, We talked about incident. Now if the event had happened there, we can call it like that. This will include the description of how the event ended. It may included quote experts from the chief guest speech, or how did the event wind up. So this is the blank format of the news report. And the blank format, you can see that heading is a title line, headline of the news report. Then you have to write here place, then you have to write here date, then reported, you can use the name by news reporter and by staff reporter as well. Then you have to write start the report. In a main body introductory line, we have to answer the questions like what, who, have, when, and where. Then after the second after the these four questions answer, in second line you should write the answer of why the incident, why the event had happened. In a third line, how many people had died or injured, it is only about incident. Okay, if the road accident had happened and if anything had happened, you can use this question, you can use these sentences like that, how people and died or injured. Okay, it's only related to incident. You should write it in a middle paragraph. Second paragraph, you should write, you should summarize the end of the. Yes, student, while you're writing the report, you should connect the situation with the current situation. Means the incident had occurred in the past before 2 to 3 days, but you should explain, you should mention the current situation of that place, and you have to connect it with. This is the example of a news report. Uh, I think you all have seen this type of a news, but see where the headline is used, where the byline is used in this newspaper. You can see that local action for a global cause. This is the headline of the news report. Then byline is mentioned here. Also, the place is mentioned after the byline. Opening paragraph, there is a place Pune. So this is the place of the proper report for proper news. The opening paragraph will be 2 to 3 lines and in short and simple language, and which explain what is exactly happened. Then short paragraphs details quote statement written in a columns. आपने you have seen in the box that the direct speech, direct quotes which are used in the box, which are telling by a key people, we can call it a person or a guest. The sentences which they use, the quotes they have used, we can write it in a box. And the last paragraph in a purple box, you can see it's a summary of a report. So student, this is the proper place of headline, byline, place, then date, then also how to write the opening paragraph, then short and then the middle paragraph, then the main body. Afterward there is a use of quotation, and also you can see this is the summary of the report at the end in the conclusion paragraph. So this is the reference example for all of you. Let's see the direct example of report, how to write the report, how the question will be asked to you, and how to solve this question if it will be asked in a exam. So student, this is a question: write a report of about 20 line based on the given. This is the report writing. This is and so events report writing, school annual function. Student, while you are writing in a capital format, and it will be catchy, and also it should. So school annual function celebrated science by Kavya Kadam. Byline means who mention the mention of. Then place is a cyan, the date, where date. while you're writing the report. Then what had happened? You can see easily that the underlying part of this question is what, who, when, where. This all W's questions answer is mentioned here in a first means opening paragraph. Sion MPS school was celebrated the annual function of the school. So the place is mentioned here where the incident had took place, where the event has arranged, or where the event had happened. So the place is Sion MPS school. Sion MPS school was celebrated, and what they celebrated? They had celebrated annual function of the school. So 2W's answer is explaining here that where and what. So where is sign place school and what is annual function? They have celebrated annual function. So on 6th August at Assembly Hall. Also remember student, the date is mentioned here, that where it when is it happened. So is it happened on 6th August. Remember, while you are writing the event or any report, that time the incident had already took place. So that's why the mentioned date is 6th August, because the school annual function has already celebrated, and that's why we are writing the report on 7th August and the describing date is 6th August. So the function was held on a 6th August at Assembly Hall. What was the place of that incident or event? It was the Assembly Hall of the school. So the function was exactly started at 11 a.m. and lasted till 6 p.m. So this is the timing. This is the period of the school annual function when the school annual function has celebrated. So the starting time of the school annual function is it is at the morning time 11 a.m. The school function, the school annual function has started at 11 a.m. and it will be lasted. It will be ended till 6 p.m. Many students participated in the annual function. So student, student. So you can easily see these four questions the school annual function. Then who have explained the many students have included in that school celebrated in the happen in on a 6th August. Then where? So in a sign MPS school at the assembly hall. So this is the place which explained in the news report, and the deadline, and the date and time also mentioned in the first paragraph. So student, you can use like this opening paragraph. Then how to write the main body of the report? You have to write like that. The program started with the welcome of Honorable Varshatai Gaikwad, Educational Minister, who was the chief guest of the event. We were very lucky to have such a great chief guest. Students performance, dance, then drama and songs. So we have to write here W's answer and H answer. How the exactly event had happened, how the exactly event took places. So uh, the guest name is Varshatai Gaikwad. Many of students have participated in the school annual function. They had performed their dances, dramas, songs in that event at the assembly hall on 6th August. So school provided snacks for all students. The school has provided to all students and teachers and all persons the snacks. The program was very nice. The program of that school annual function was very nicely. Then prize distributed by the chief guest to the student. The students who have performed in that event, in that annual function, the chief guest had distributed the gift to the students, or the prize to the student which have already have already performed in the school annual function. So this is the main body of the report. It is details of the report how the annual function has celebrated in the Sign MPS school. It is the full the school functions. This is the overall program was very good. We all students appreciated and motivated all students. It was a memorable event for all students. So this is the summarizing, this is the concluding paragraph of the school event. So I hope that student you can easily understand that how can we write the events report writing. By this example, you can easily understand. By next example, we have to see that how can we write the incident report. How can we write the incident report? If the example is like that, a road accident took place on SG highway in Ahmedabad, write the report in about 200 words covering the incident as a reporter of Indian Express. If you observe this question, students, you can easily see that there is a mention city's name. Also, there is a reporter's name will be given here, that the accident has took place on Ahmedabad. So place is mentioned, the original name of the place you have to use in the report. Then also the reporter, which was reporter of Indian Express. So newspaper, news agency's name is providing to us, and we have to write which we have given to us. Now see how to write the report while the incident had took place. Three died in a road accident at SG Highway. So this is the headline of the incident while you are writing the report. And the place, yes, the city has mentioned to us in a question, and it's Ahmedabad. 18th March 2022. You can use the date exactly while you are writing the report. Like if you are writing a report today, that time you can use 27th August 2021. And reported by XYZ, reported by and reporter is Indian Express news report. The first and opening paragraph like that: a terrible road accident occurred between two cars on 17th March 2022 late night at Sarkej Gandhinagar highway in Ahmedabad. The driver of one car was drunk and driving recklessly, which resulted in so this is the incident. In second, we will write like that: how involved in the accident where the tower having two people in it. The car driver in Audi was at very high speed, due to which he lost his control and the car jumped and the lane and hit Tavera car near Pakwan Cross Road. The police came immediately as they received a call on PCR. They seized the vehicles and noted a case against the Audi driver. The ambulance arrived and all the injured were taken to the KD hospital, which two are in ICU. The bodies were sent to the civil hospital in Ahmedabad for post-mortem. So this is the detailed explanation that how the incident had took place, how the people had injured, then what is the help which is given by the police, and also what is the decision had make on that place, particular place, how the people had admitted in the hospital. So this is the main body of the middle para, it's the main part of the report. So this is the detailed explanation of the report in middle para, third and second para. So last one is what would happen at the last. This is the summarizing of the report. Then police later found empty liquid bottles and glasses from Audi car. They also identified that the car driver as the son of Akash Patel, a well-known builder in a city. Further investigation regarding the incident is going on by the police. So student, this is the concluding paragraph, that the further investigation had happened by the police, and also what is the how the person had held by the local public. So this is the event, this is the accident or a incident report we have seen two examples. First one is which we have seen the celebration of annual function at Cyan MP school. It was the event report, and this is second example which we have seen. It's the incident report writing. So by these two examples, you can easily write. You can easily understand that how we write the report, and I hope that you all student have the report the general information report is spoken or written account of something that has we have seen it. Then we have seen what is a report. Then also we have seen the general information. The third one, we have seen the types of a news. Then we have seen the good events like annual day function, farewell celebration, blood donation camp, and science quiz. Student, you have to write on a report like a such example. You can take any example and you have to write the report. And then bad events, road accident, flood, and earthquake. Then we have seen the steps of a report writing like a headline, deadline, introduction, para, then short continuing para. Then we have seen the marking scheme of the report writing. Afterward, we have seen some points to remember while you are writing the report. Some rules we have seen that how can we write the report. Then the guideline for report writing is for headline, dateline, place, then reporter's name, introductory para, then description of event, then how can we write the introduction para, byline, headline, and also the paragraph. Then we have seen the blank format of the headline report writing, and w's for 5 to 4 questions that the answer of the 5w's is what, who, when, where, why. It's the in a introduction, and how exactly incident had took place in a middle paragraph. So this is the references example which we already have seen. Then we have seen the one example of event. That event, how can we write the report if the event had occurred. Then in second example we have seen if the incident had took place, how can we write the report. So I hope that you all have understand very well. Thank you.
Thank you, Kaveri ma'am.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.